Justine, intro. Now it feels real.
Yeah, it does. It's a little too real.
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges, making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Justine. Justine is a former coworker of mine. I have been wanting to film with Justine for forever because she is a very healthy person who picks fresh fruit from her own gardens past this camera that I can't turn around because it's nighttime. If you like healthy stuff, you should check out her Instagram. Right here I'm going to put Justine's regular one, and then this one, Hen's going to have Vibrant Virtue.
Go for my Vibrant Virtue account. It's much more fun.
Oh, then bye. And close. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do with Vibrant Virtue, other things you do with your job? I see you on your Instagram stories giving saplings to your coworkers and all that. It's like, wow, I wish I could do something that would change the world in that way. So describe, please.
Thanks, Arleo. Really, Vibrant Virtue is just my way of expressing myself, my love for foods, making it look nice and pretty, very colorful. I try to use all real ingredients, nothing canned, nothing processed. Then also the humbling part of just being in a garden and going outside to pick your fruits from your own tree. There's just something so spiritual about that, and just vocalize what I feel, what I think, and how I want to share myself with the world.
You have given up alcohol for Lent.
Yes, I have. Yeah.
I'm very happy right now. It's a good time to do a mocktail episode. I'm so hungover still.
This is why you don't drink at work.
Oh, I drank after work.
Okay, this is why you don't drink. Never mind.
Yeah, wait. When else are you supposed to drink? So I'm gonna go make a nice fresh fruit cocktail. Mocktail, sorry. You ready to go?
Let's go.
Cool.
That was so cheesy.
That's alright. The whole show is cheesy. After struggling with a very heavy fridge door, I got to explore this well-organized fridge and grab a little syrup for sweetness, and then take our pick from these jars and juices right here. Then in the crisper, we've got some fresh fruit. Gonna pick some of those. And it turns out we have a very old wedding cake in the freezer. I might use that, but there's apparently a very special meaning behind it. This pantry, though, the most glorious thing I've probably ever seen, and I do feel bad that I have to ransack it. But since it's organized, that also means it will be really easy to put everything back in its place. First, we're going to cut up some of the fruit and also nibble on it to do some quality control. The primary flavor is going to come from this tamarind paste, which I realize is a little sweeter than I expected, but we'll still add some maple syrup for sweetness and flax milk for a little body, nibble on some more fresh fruit, and then add our vinegar and orange juice. It turns out that the ice machine in the freezer is broken, so I have no ice to shake with, but that is okay since all of our ingredients are already chilled, and we have some Becks to help lengthen and sort of dilute this drink. Let's see what Justine thinks.
This looks delicious.
Alright.
Oh. This is good.
What do you think's in there?
Let's see. I'm trying to think everything that I have in my kitchen. Start naming it. Ooh, I can name it shelf to shelf. Mango?
Really?
It took me a while to get that one. For sure, the vinegar. My tamarind paste. Used the Becks.
Funny thing about that was I was not planning on using that initially, but then I found out we didn't have ice, so it came in handy. It was perfect.
What else do you have in here?
A lot.
Yeah, how many ingredients
I'm
are
counting,
in here?
yeah.
I have my orange juice there.
I think it's like 9 ingredients. This isn't a game show where you win a prize when you get the right ingredients. Your prize is the drink.
Yeah, that's true. I can't argue with that. What else could be in here?
Maybe your parents' wedding cake?
Oh my gosh. Whoa! Yeah, that one really got me.
Oh, that would be funny if I did. Might be
The
doing some of
tamarind
it.
paste is
It's very
pretty strong.
prominent, yeah.
I use it to make pad thai.
Oh,
Yeah.
You make your own pad thai at home?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I don't use it often, but when I do. Anything spicy in here?
Did I forget an ingredient? I don't know. We'll find out as we go along. You've guessed enough. We got a bunch of ingredients. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. We're gonna start with the most obvious thing in this drink. It is what makes it this kind of nasty color.
I will agree, the color isn't the prettiest.
Yeah.
But
So what provides that brown color is
tamarind paste.
tamarind paste. Whoa, that's my line. Tamarind is to flavor pad thai, chutneys, curries, sauces, and stir fries. Very powerful flavor of this thing. Not surprised that you got it right off the bat. The other obvious part is the garnish. I muddled up some
mango.
this mango. Do you get your mangoes from the backyard?
Not the backyard. We do have a mango tree, but they're much smaller.
Mango's not the only fruit I threw in there. The other one's a much more subtle flavor. Everything's gonna be subtle, especially in comparison to the tamarind paste. The other fruit I muddled into your drink was a peach. We're an ASMR channel now. That's gonna be weird. There was another obvious ingredient in there that you got. It's another acidic component. Basically what I ended up making was a shrub of sorts. You said vinegar, but which vinegar was it?
Was it the red one?
It was not. It was the white one. Yes, there was a beer in your drink, but it wasn't a real beer. I mean, it was a real beer, but Beck's, non-alcoholic. Less than 0.5% alcohol by volume. That's just what I needed right now. This is actually helping me feel a lot better. There is a sweet component in this because there is no way that this drink would be palatable without a hint of sweetness. Everybody's favorite classic on this show.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup. This is almost a barbecue sauce because we got maple, we got vinegar, we got tamarind paste. I want barbecue now. I want to make this into a barbecue wrap. While I was making your drink, what were you doing?
Making orange juice.
She was making some orange juice because I pretty much used the last of her orange juice. This, in theory, has a little bit of creaminess to it. Probably not. It's not milk or actual cream. It's much lighter than that. I just assume it's creamy because of the name, and that name is flax milk.
Yummy, yummy. I like flax milk, so I recommend it. And I go for the protein, so protein-filled drink, why not?
So if I told you I added a slightly jelly component to this, jelly as in JEL-Y, what would you think it is?
Gosh, I can't think of the name.
What if I told you it was on one of your counters?
Raspberries.
It's not raspberries, it's...
You did add the aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
Aw. You gotta show them closer.
Oh no. Well, now we have 2 aloe vera. It's not very prominent in the drink, but I'm curious what would have happened if I didn't use it. We'll never know, it just peed on me. You're like holding it right on the spines. Are you okay?
Yeah, the spine's down.
I'm just a baby. So guys, that's Justine's kitchen drink where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye! Actually, it's a mocktail. You don't have to drink responsibly.
I was thinking that. I was like...
So this cake is from how long ago?
That's 18 years.
2001.
Yeah.
Yeah, 18 years.
Oh my god, this cake can vote!
Yeah.